Caleb has 2,400 baseball cards. His friend Jacob has 1/100th times fewer baseball cards than Caleb. How many baseball cards does Jacob have? So just by looking at what I underlined there, I know that Jacob has a smaller amount of baseball cards. And I can go two ways with my equation. I can say either 2,400 times 1/100th, because I will be getting smaller, or I can say 2,400 divided by 100. Either one is fine. But the point is, our answer is going to be smaller than 2,400 because we're either multiplying it by a fraction, by 1/100th, that fraction, or we're dividing it by 100. So I'm going to go and I'm going to take out my place value chart because this is super duper helpful. And I'm going to write 2,400 in the chart. I keep that decimal there just to remind myself. Now I need to know, I know that I'm not going to be going this way towards the left because that will give me a bigger answer because it's bigger place values. I know that I'm going to be going towards the right, towards the decimals, the tenths, the hundredths, and the thousandths because I'm multiplying by 1/100th and or dividing by 100. But how many shifts do I have to move the digits? Well, the answer is 2 shifts because each shift either to the right or to the left is by a power of 10. So because I have 100, that's 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100, so that's 2 shifts. So I'm going to be doing 2 shifts to the right. So I'll show the first shift. When I shift, I don't include this decimal right here, all right? So this is the first shift. So over, right there, take this one, move it over, take this, move it over, take this, move it over. So that's the first shift. But I have to do one more shift. So remember, do not count this decimal as a shift. I'm going to put in another decimal right there just to remind myself. So move over 1, shift this over, 1 shift. If you want to draw arrows to show you too, that's something that's like really helpful. Last shift. So how many baseball cards does Jacob have? Jacob has 24 baseball cards.